Beautiful Gulf access pool home located in the Surfside Blvd area of southwest Cape Coral with 4 bedrooms plus den, 3 bathrooms and a 3-car garage. Only one bridge to go under to reach the open water and the Gulf of Mexico. The property boasts 8 feet doors and sliders, an open floor plan, high ceilings and a nice curb appeal. Maplewood kitchen cabinets with stainless steel appliances. Granite countertops in the kitchen and all of the bathrooms. Pavers in the driveway and pool area. Air conditioner replaced in June of 2019. Outdoor kitchen added January 2019. Pool and spa electrically heated. Impact windows and doors, accordion shutters on the lanai. This property would be a great primary residence, second home, vacation home, or investment. Located on a street with a cul-de-sac. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle. Close to the Cape Coral Yacht Club, Tarpon Point, and Cape Harbour. Easy access for boating, biking, walking, beaches, golfing, airports, shopping, restaurants, parks, boat ramps, and much more. No HOA dues. All information in the listing is deemed reliable but not guaranteed. It is the responsibility of the buyer or the buyer's agent to verify the information. Submit your offer today.